What's going on, guys? IFBB Pro Akim here, out here at the East Coast Mecca, getting ready to train some back, representing Team MuscleMeds. Before I start my back workout, I usually take my No Bull, which is my pre-workout, give me the extra pump, the extra energy I need to basically get through my back workout, along with my amino decanate, which is an amino acid that would help me basically fuel the muscle and help me with my recovery. So let's get it started. What's going on, guys? Just finished my back workout out here at the East Coast Mecca. 2016, look for me, basically might be doing a show like around springtime. I'm not sure yet. Just want to give a huge thanks to East Coast Mecca, Bev and Steve. Thank you so much for having me train at your wonderful facility. My sponsors, MuscleMeds, MPC Online, my girlfriend Taylor, and all my boys basically that were training partners that I train with. Thank you.